Networking event. An event where people gather to meet new professional contacts and build relationships. They attended a networking event to expand their professional network.
The Wesleyan Alumni Networking event?
Cool.
Job interview. A meeting between a job candidate and an employer to discuss the candidate's qualifications for a specific position. She had a job interview for the position of marketing manager.
She got a job interview in Jackson.
Resume. A document outlining a person's work experience, skills, and education. He carefully reviewed his resume before submitting it for the job application.
Well, Elizabeth, your resume is very impressive.
Cover letter. A letter that accompanies a resume and explains why the applicant is interested in a specific position. She wrote a compelling cover letter expressing her passion for the company's mission.
That could be challenging. Listen to this. Cover letters are so old-fashioned.
Salary negotiation. The process of discussing and agreeing upon a compensation package for a job. They engaged in a productive salary negotiation and reached a mutually agreeable offer.
Before I sign up for anything, talk to me about that salary negotiable part.
Onboarding. The process of introducing a new employee to their job and the company. The onboarding program helped the new employee feel welcome and informed.
Call with Oslo, we're onboarding a new ski vendor, so.
Performance review. A meeting between an employee and their manager to discuss the employee's performance and set goals for the future. He received positive feedback and constructive criticism during his performance review.
Performance review.
Promotion. An advancement to a higher position within a company. She was thrilled to be promoted to the position of senior director.
Say you wouldn't take a promotion, let me know.
Layoff. The involuntary termination of an employee's job. Unfortunately, the company was forced to implement layoffs due to economic downturn.
This is a brutal layoff.
Retirement. The act of ending one's career and leaving the workforce. He looked forward to a relaxing retirement filled with travel and hobbies.
Which means that either you're saving for retirement or you're in deep with the wrong people.
Headhunter. A recruiter who specializes in finding qualified candidates for executive and high-level positions. The headhunter contacted him about a potential career opportunity.
So, what do you do? I'm gonna meet with the headhunter this week.
Freelancer. Someone who works independently and is not employed by a single company. She enjoyed the flexibility and freedom of being a freelance writer.
So, I was thinking maybe I can help come up with toy ideas for you while I'm in LA, as a freelancer,
Co-worker. A person who works in the same place as you. He developed strong friendships with his co-workers over the years.
Tamara, Cheryl, I'd like to introduce you to your co-worker, Annie Hinckley.
Boss. A person who is in charge of others at work. He respected his boss for her leadership and mentorship.
Boss told me when the guy was done, I should take him out.
Teamwork. The process of working together to achieve a common goal. Their teamwork was instrumental in the success of the project.
You all forgot the most important thing. Teamwork.
Burnout. A state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by prolonged or excessive stress. She recognized the signs of burnout and took steps to manage her stress levels.
I inspire millions of women to reignite their burnout sex lives.
Work-life balance. The ability to manage time and responsibilities between work and personal life. He strived to maintain a healthy work-life balance for his overall well-being.
I'm trying to nail the work-life balance, or more like the work-party balance.
Job satisfaction. The amount of enjoyment and fulfillment a person gets from their job. She found great satisfaction in helping others through her work.
What a lot of job satisfaction there must be in double glazing.
Job security. The feeling of being safe and secure in your job. They spent their winter as ski bums, living in a small cabin and enjoying the slopes every day.
Suppose we should all thank President Kennedy for the continued job security.
Career goals. The long-term aspirations a person has for their professional life. She established clear career goals and developed a plan to achieve them.
Thank you for offering me the position, but working for myself is more in line with my skills and career goals.